Hello everybody, this is another video from out in the field here working on a BMW 750 Li, the E66 if I'm not mistaken. This is an instrument cluster failure and no communication with the cluster and intermittent communication with the car. Turns out there was water damage that intruded in here and actually had burned section right there, which is for the actual check engine light. Burned a piece right out of their little board there, even though it's like more like a paper or plastic film with all the wiring on it. The water damage you can see here on the actual screen. This is our instrument cluster disassembled. There's a little bit of water damage there. Nothing really too much anywhere else. The main board looked okay, but this is what I found here. It was actually smoking, and I shut it down, disconnected the battery, and then we took out the cluster, and that's what we ended up finding. It's right there. But it's giving the car some pretty weird symptoms, like intermittent transmission codes, or transmission light kept popping up, wouldn't shift. Check engine light obviously wasn't working, but then it would go to like the cluster would flicker and the dashboard would flicker, and then out of nowhere it all stopped. So if you guys have some similar kind of issues with the BMW and your instrument cluster has water damage on it or may suspect water damage on it, you might want to take a look at it because it could also be a potential fire hazard.